How to unhide posts on Facebook. So go to Facebook, go to the menu button at the bottom right hand corner, and then scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and go ahead and click on Settings. From here you want to scroll down until you see Your Activity and click Activity Log. And then from here, stay on this page and go to the very top where it says Your Facebook Activity. Hit the drop down menu and go down to Posts and just click Manage Posts. Once this loads, you want to go to Filters at the top, go to Categories, and then choose Posts Hidden from Profile. So these are going to be all of your hidden posts. And so what you can do from this point is just go through here, and if you want to manually add it to your profile, you can, just by going to the three dots at the far right hand side here, and it will ask you to view or add to profile. And there it is. It automatically updates on your profile, and that's it.